Locate your smoke detector. Smoke detectors are often mounted on high ceilings, so they may be out of easy reach. If this is the case in your home, a long object like a broom handle may help in performing the test. Use the object to hold down the test button located on the device. You should hear 3 loud beeps. If this does not happen, contact your building's maintenance team. It's also important to note that you shouldn't stand on any objects like chairs to conduct the test. If you still cannot reach the unit with a broom handle, contact building maintenance. These tests should be performed on each smoke and CO detector in your home.